Siyabingelela baba udokotela baba Sizwe baba uJabulile Mfana Mhla njengekehle umZulu amancengesi siyabonga kakhulu ikakhulukazi abantu abangapha baku TikTok babaluleke kakhulu abantu abangapha baku Facebook by far we need them abantu abaku YouTube we need them otherwise siyabonga kakhulu the support that you render to baba udokotela I thank you all and then I think the information that will be delivering to you people ingasinsize kakhulu ngoba kunabantu abaningi abahlele kwi mist enkungwini eminyama it's too dark we have to quench the darkness because kunezinto esikhule sitshelwa zona but engezona esithi mase sifika lapha sithola ukuthi ezinye izinto kunezinto esizifundelwe scriptural esithola kuzona mase sifika lapha sithola ezinye izinto. Then after this is Babu Hotel Babu says watch follow ngifuna ke sikhulume lana can we compare ngithinta lana enibhlungu khona ke manje can we compare two things that are most powerful Islamic God and a Christian God because by far we all been told there is God for Islam who is called Allah and there is one God who's called for Christians is called Jehovah. Can we compare those gods? We need to tell people to shake their minds so that according to my study, not according to the Bible, because I refuse to believe in the Bible or in the Quran, none of above, because those are just man-made documents. And I refuse to believe that because I have to write my own document that people must believe in. If I can ascertain another Bible, another document and start to worship the Bible and follow the script. Come to Islamic God. Islamic God, according to the ignorance of the West, there is something called Islamic God. That is the teaching of the West. There is no such thing at first that is God of the Islams. Islams, they own no gods. They own houses and cars. Anything that you own is something that you possessed. Then no one in Islam has a God. If you hear them chanting Allah, it is not their God. It is a universal and supreme God, and most loving and most merciful God. It is not their God. Any Muslim who's wearing kurta can say to me, Allah is my God. No, we got no patent to God. Allah is not a Muslim God. He is God. He's bigger than all gods, supreme God. He makes things that are seen and unseen. He's the most loving and most merciful God. That is Allah. And then according to the Western doctrine and education, they told us that Allah is God of the Arabs who are terrorists. That is Allah. Go to Kazakhstan and ask them how do they pronounce God. Do they say Jehovah in their language or they say what? Go to Uzbekistan and ask them. They will tell you they pronounce as Allah, but they are not practicing Islam. Meaning that we are sitting on an ignorance that is fed and injected by the Western doctrine and methodologists. Comes to Jehovah. Jehovah, he is God, who is different by far to Allah. He is God who is biased against blacks in Egyptian Orthodox. We got proof whereby he says certain men must go and separate slaves from other slaves and leave other people to be enslaved by the Egyptians as much as they wish. That God is biased. That is Jehovah. But when it comes to Allah, we never hear him ascending somebody else to go and separate certain slaves and leave other people to be submerged in slavery and die as slaves. I never hear that happening to Allah. But the God who has already got a son without having a wife, it's a problematic God on its own. Once God starts to have a mother, then it's a questionable God. According to the study of mythology, do not worship idols. To me, that God has a mother is an idolic God. Once he's got a son, I don't trust him. He's got a son, he's got a mother. That God, I persecute him for being an idolic God. That is my definition about when you separate God Jehovah, who has a son. God Jehovah, who mandated Moses to go to Israel and separate certain cult of people from being enslaved by the Egyptians, and abayeke abanye abantwana abanye abantu babulawe ama-Egyptians through slavery. But uNkulunkulu uNkulunkulu phezu kwabo bonke uNkulunkulu wathi uMose akawukhipha abantu ababodwa kuphela. Awukhipha abantu ababodwa kuphela. Abe uNkulunkulu aphinda abe nomama ancela ubisi afaka amaphampers. uNkulunkulu akhala uNkulunkulu eseklinywa ziyipoka athi uNkulunkulu wami ngishiyelana na. uNkulunkulu useyasaba. Yabona lento kufuna siyi-neutralize sisodwa siyi-decode nje sisodwa. Akwazi ukuthi singaba noNkulunkulu othi no one has ever been in heaven. But kunomuntu okuthiwa ukuthi waye emazulwini ehamba ngama-chariot hash. Wafika wabona ubungcwele bukaNkulunkulu abona ingilosi kodwa kube nomuntu ngaphethe akekho umuntu oyaNkulunkulu ngaphandle kwami. Leyo nto ndifuna we have to learn that we have to kukuthina ukuthi how do we break down so that we will see which God to follow. Should we follow God who has a son, a God who hates other people from Egypt? Angisho ukuthi mina this is my own understanding. Since we are African, any God who appeared to us as non-African, that God is a pagan God. Even Allah himself, he can appear as something else, is a pagan to me. He'll be pagan immediately. If he appears as Chinese, he'll be pagan to me immediately. Any God that does not appear as me, because we cannot mesh things that are not the same. Allah never said, let's make people in our image. Hence, is a spirit. I'm not a spirit. They said that I was made according to the image of God. Where? When? Because uNkulunkulu kuthiwa uNkulunkulu unendodana futhi uNkulunkulu umoya akabonakala. Mina ngiyabonana ngisawona angifuni ngenza inyoni mina. Lana ngithi mina ngifuna lento siyikhuluma ukuthi ngoba lezi zinto lezi zisikhathaze kakhulu as if now athina sinawo umcabango. Asikwazi ukucatshangelwa abanye abantu. Asikwazi ukucatshangelwa abanye abantu bese bethi asilandele uNkulunkulu wabo. Sizomlandela but befuna basitshela ama reasons. Ukuthi lo uNkulunkulu kade noma uNkulunkulu wengempela lo siyamthemba. Lo uNkulunkulu obuya wakhala simjampela ethi uNkulunkulu wami ngishiyelana na. Wena usamthemba? Mina ngisamthembi. That is whereby ngithola mina umehlukanisa. If comes to anything else, ama-Western teachers basifundise into eningi abazi ukuthi ayikho vese. Angisho ukuthi amanga abazi ukuthi ayikho. Kodwa basifundisa sayiphila. Namhlanje siphila yona. Namhlanje siphila yona. Siyabonga ukuthi uNkulunkulu usigcinile sebesiphila into engeyona. We live fake lifestyle. Worshipping unseen. Into thina engasidingi as Africans. We are not in Africa by mistake as if we traveled here. We are Africans by far. This is Babu Dr. Voices Bojalo Mfana Mhlehle Kahle uMzulu amancinyisi. Lento izoloku ihluphile. Sinento esiyitsheliwe about uJesu. uJesu is assumed ukuthi wayese eMiddle East. eMiddle East uma wenza study of anthropology. Babengekho abelungu eMiddle East ngalesa sikhathi. But akunankinga ke lokho. uJesu when he died on Friday afternoon, if he died on Friday afternoon, Saturday afternoon it was 1 day. Sunday morning it was half day more. 18 hours in a grave. That was not 3 days. If we assume that he died and rose again after 3 days, this is a lie. He died on Friday. He did not resurrect on Monday. How you people count now? He didn't die early morning hours of Friday. He died afternoon. And then he rose up on Sunday again. Into eyubungane angisho ukuthi amanga into eyubungane ufuna uyibona ukuthi lo muntu okuthiwa ufe ngolwesihlanu ebusuku ngomgqibelo ebusuku bese ethuneni ngesonto ebusuku bengekho ethuneni ngesonto ebusuku ubengekho ethuneni engisho ukuthi lezi zinto ezifuna sazi ukuthi it was only 18 hours, not more than that. It was 18 hours. ngoba asisho ukuthi wavuka ngo5 ekseni, asisho ukuthi wavuka ngo3 ekseni, sisho ukuthi ngesonto ekseni akatholakanga ethuneni. Ngesonto ekseni akatholanga, asazi ukuthi wavuka nini, either ngomgqibelo ebusuku ngabo 11, asazi. But ngesonto ekseni akathola ethu, that was not 3 days. Why are you people pushing us into engeyona kodwa? Ngoba sinalento esimele ukuthi inkosi uJesu Kristu wafa wavuka ethuneni emva kwansuku ezintathu. Eziphi ezintathu? Ubala kanjani ntwana? Hayi ngathi nini ukubala kwenu okuhlukile kunokwethu. Ake nisibalele ngenye into. Yeah, this is Babu Dokotela Babu Sisibojana umfana omhleja kahle umzulu amancisi. Lezi zinto lezi ziyaswarisha njengoba manje siyathola sinokuthola ukuthi hayi asisho ukuthi zamanga kodwa kukhona ukudlala okukhona. Kukhona ukudlala okukhona oyibuza ukuthi ngeke ukuthi uJesu wengakhuluma nabantu abawu5000 ingekho imicrophone ekhuluma ngayo. Ungakhuluma kanjani nabantu abaningi kangaka? Even ehholo ufuna ubahlebele phela labantu. Noma ebasendela WhatsApp bonke. Hayi ngeke ukhulume nabantu ehholo abawu5000 ingekho i-loudspeaker. You need a loudspeaker labo bantu. Yena uyekhuluma nje basikhuluma thina. Usho ukuthi kuyibhubesi phela lona. Kuyacaca kuyibhubesi. This is Babu Dokotela Babu Sisibojana. La ake sikhulume lana. Ngifuna ngikhulume nalabantu laba. Kunesikhathi sokuba yipedestrian. Kunesikhathi sokuba imotorist. Imotorist is the person that who drives. Not the person who's got driver's license. It's a person that wena kuthini nje kuwena. Kuthini kuwena njoba ungaka nje ume erank manje ubuka le video. Uxabana no-association uthi kanti ama-taxi aphi. Uxabana nomuntu wena othenga i-taxi kade esebenza ehola 17,000 ngenyanga. Uxabana naye wena usebenza kaloliwe uhola 27,000 ngenyanga. Uxabana nomuntu onesithembu kade ehola 13,000 wagcina ethenga i-taxi. Unesithembu nengane ezu9, wena nonkosikazi odwa nengane ezu2. Uhola 16,000, uhola ngaphezulu kwakhe. Lo muntu une-taxi uxabana naye uthi kanti apha ama-taxi. Kanti kuwena kuthini kuwena? Wena kuthini kuwena? Uzibona uyiphethiseni kuze kube nini? Siyabonga ixesha lothengele bandla zidla ngoDisemba. Ama-time out usiwafakile wona awuwazi ukuthi ayimalini. Uyabona ke nje ubusafaka ixesha esibizayo. Upake phi? Mina uma uzofaka ixesha lesibizayo ungabhaka ndawo. Angakhuluma ngitshengisa mina. Ungangitshengisi lonto ungangitshela nje futhi lonto indaba lonto lami. Ngibuza ukuthi upake phi mina. Kade ngifaka ama-tire captive awu4 angisho ukuthi ayimalini. Awu4 kuphela ngisho ukuthi ayimalini. Kade ngithenga ispace yesejack besitshontshile 6,000 rand. 6,000 rand. Ispace alisasasaliya moto. Bazokufakela phela nethayi ngisho irim. Basazokufaka nethayi asiyilapho. Ngizama ukuveza ukuthi kunento engakuvumela ukuthi ube yipedestrian nophela. Akufuzile ukuthi namanje abusihamba ngenyawo. Akufuzile nje akufuzile futhi. Ngoba lento ibilungile uma usanda ukuthola umsebenzi, uzama ukuthola indawo yokuhlala. And then after kwenzekeni emva kwalokho? Emva kwalokho kwenzekeni? Ngeke ukuthi wena sisebenza kangaka nje sonke into, sikhipha yonke into ekhishwayo yokusiza abantu nobona kunormal ukuthi ube yipedestrian. Ufuna ukushayiswa imoto bakuthi uRafu yakhokha. Uzongakhokheli ngoba uzokubuza usahamba ngenyawo umdala ngaka. Uthi kuyabheda futhi bengifuna uRafu angishaye angikhokhele khona ngizothenga imoto. Awuzoyithenga imali ngemoto kaRafu. Simple as that. Khohlwa. Awuzoyithenga. Lento ukuthi usahamba ngenyawo question kukhona into ongayenzi kahle. Kukhona into ongayenzi kahle. Phinde uzinuka amakhwapha ukuthi wenzani kanti wena. Usiphinde uzinuka amakhwapha wehlile manje phela emotweni yahulumeni obuhamba ngayo. Lobu lo umpempa ngayo ulanda imoto izintombi zonke manje intambama uyoyipaka uyasayina ukuthi imileage engakanani upetrol unganani osebenzisile. Your time is up now to be a pedestrian. Simple as that. Awuzuncengwa, awuzuchazelwa, uzotshelwa ukuthi isikhathi ukuthi ungabe usihamba nyawo sesiphelile, special for wena. Siyakwazi wena ukuthi ubani. Siyakwazi ukugxoka, siyakwazi ukuthi akubona ama social media, asazi ukuthi uhamba ngenyawo. Asazi nje thina ukuthi uhamba ngenyawo. Sikubonile udansa enkwareni enkulu, asikwazi ukuthi uhamba ngenyawo. Asikwazi. Ukanti uhamba ngenyawo khehla. Awu, bengazi. Engisho ukuthi the time ukuthi ungabe usayipedestrian akufiki usho ukuthi Babu Dokotela nami lento ye-public transport ngibambiwe. Sikutshela uzokwenza njani ukuphuma kuyona. Uzokwenza njani? This is Babu Dokotela Babu Sisibojana umfana omhleja kahle umzulu amancisi angisolve futhi angixolisa. Hamba uye highway halfway ukuthi ufuna imoto ka halfway la in Durban ukhuluma noCelezi uthi ngifuna imoto hamba ya halfway empangeni uthi hey madoda uzuma uthi angeke ngizokhuluma ngifuna imoto naka bapha highway in Port Shepstone ubatshe ethi le ndoda ukhuluma kabi ndoda ngisazofuna imoto la lana nje eThekwini uzofika ukhuluma noCelezi aqhiliza kuthatha kuhlanza into zakho ubona ukuthi yini ephuma kodwa kusala uzophuma udrive uhighway inkampani nabantu abamnyama ibhekele nabantu abamnyama ukuthi okusala they must be able to drive highway in Durban uzokwazi ukuthi uthole ukuthi ungene emotweni highway empangeni uzokwazi ukuthi ungene emotweni highway in Port Shepstone uzokwazi ukungena emotweni umdala ukuthi ngabuzahamba ngenyawo umdala nje umdathatha isibhamu usibe futhi usiphatha ucabanga enye into balesibhamu kusona uzogibela sona ntambama ake uzama ukuthi ka highway bot bazothini ubahlohle ukuthi ayade ngikhuluma nalenyoni uzoma ngibuke imfundiso zakhe ithi angeke ngize la ka highway uzokunika njengoba kuthiwa halfway to poverty kuyaphela halfway kuyanqamuka halfway mufika nje empangeni Google halfway empangeni kuzovela halfway Port Shepstone kuzovela halfway in Durban kuzovela can I speak to Mr. Celiza the one there to assist Babu Hotel with his car but no we are halfway we are willing to help you how can we help you halfway is a company that belongs to abantu abamnyama asisupported ngayo indlela suka negoli uze la eThekwini uzobuza ukuthi hey madoda ukuphi halfway musula bazokutshela bathi hayi nanku halfway this is Babu Hotel bawesizwa uJalfa lo muntu siyabonga